Bonjour, mes étudiants. I hope that you had a great exam today. So, I'm back with another video in which I will be discussing all the answers of today's French paper. So, let's quickly jump into today's video. Question number one of passage. Quels sont les effets négatifs des médias sur des adolescents? So, what are the negative effects of media on adolescents? Les médias, you can see I've written the answer here. You can just check your answer what you have written. So, les médias exercent une profonde influence sur le développement psychosocial des enfants. Regarder trop la télévision limite souvent le temps que les enfants peuvent consacrer à des activités essentielles comme le jeu, la lecture, l'interaction avec les camarades et la famille, l'exercice physique régulier, etc. Okay, so because of all the media, these days, the adolescents, they are not spending time on on reading, playing games, interaction with their classmates. So all of that stuff you were supposed to write for answer number one. Next one, comment la télévision peut-elle avoir une bonne influence sur nous? So how the television has made a good influence on us. So la télévision peut être un professeur d'une grande influence améliorer les aptitudes de lecture et d'apprentissage de ses téléspectateurs. Certains jeux vidéo peuvent contribuer au développement de la motricité fine et de la coordination. So it also improves the fine motor skill. If you play few video games, it also helps to improve the fine motor skills. Okay, so that was answer number two. Next one is internet per nous éduquer aussi. Does internet also educate us? So just justify your reply. So there was a line in the text that you were supposed to write. Internet possède l'énorme potentiel de fournir aux enfants et aux adolescents l'accès de l'information éducative et il peut se comparer à une énorme bibliothèque à domicile. So it's also compared to a big library, okay? Next question was row 4. So first part, I'm not going to read all of them, otherwise it's going to become a very big video. So first part of row 4 was vrai, then it was vrai again, then 4, vrai, 4, vrai. Okay, so these were the answers of vrai 4. Let's move on to the next one. Une preposition, a preposition you were supposed to write, which was given in the text. So I've written sur, you could have written any other preposition also. An adjective, I've written grand here. Form nominal de étudier, that is étude. Déturier, that is améliorer, to improve. Très grand, that is profound, deep. Production, you were supposed to write the form verbal. So that is produire. Letters, I hope that you were able to write the letters. The first was on your hobbies, which are your favorite hobbies. The second was on, write a letter to your brother while telling him what he must do for finding a job. Okay, he's not having a job. The third one was describe a day in the library. What all things you can do in a library. So I hope that you were able to do that. The next message invitation was that you want to celebrate 25th anniversary of your brother or sister and write an invitation to your friends. Then we move on to Metela dialogue, which was somewhat like this. It's a weekend. So one person is asking, will you go out on this weekend? The other is replying, je vais voir le pont du. Oui, je vais voir le pont du Gard avec l'école. Tu pars à quelle heure? Comme d'habitude, at the same time, mais je vais certainement rentrer plus tard. I'm going to return more late. Très bien, tu vas porter quelque chose. Will you be bringing something? Do you want to bring something? Okay. So, merci, c'est très gentil. The other person is saying thank you. It's very kind of you. Okay. So the other is saying d'accord. I'm going to prepare. Je vais préparer un bon poulet avec une soupe aux oignons. Je laisserai dans le frigo. Okay, so the other person is saying that I'm going to leave it in the fridge, and then what does the reply comes? No, it's thank you. We're going to buy something, from on the way. When we will be going, then we can buy something, and then you know, uh, then again the reply is Alice Jyotiles. Oh, don't worry, Jyotiles. I'm going to leave it for you. Good night and good night. Okay, so I hope till here it is clear. We move on to completing the text. So completing the text, there were 10 words and you were supposed to fill all the 10 words in the paragraph. Pour aller de Paris à Lyon, on peut prendre le train. Prendre le train. L'avion et le bus. et même le taxi. Le plus rapide, c'est l'avion. On met une heure pour aller de Paris à Lyon. C'est le plus rapide, mais c'est aussi le plus cher. Le voyage en avion coûte 150 euros pour un aller. Bien sûr, ça dépend des jours et des compagnies aériennes. Il y a un autre moyen de transport assez rapide, c'est le train. En plus, c'est beaucoup moins cher que l'avion. Ça coûte 42 euros à l'ensemble. Le train est moins rapide que l'avion. C'est vrai, mais ils mettent seulement 2 heures. C'est donc plus rapide que le bus et c'est aussi plus confortable. Si le train et le taxi sont les moyens de transport les plus confortables, le moins cher, c'est quand même le bus. So you can just see your answer for completing the text. Let's move on to convenient tense. So these are the answers that are there for convenient tense. Out of 7 parts, you were supposed to do 5. I'm so sorry. It's like the throat is totally gone. And just check the answers for convenient tense. Just wanted to do it anyhow. I hope convenient tense, all the answers you've checked. Then it was direct, indirect speech. Je le demande s'il peut visiter mon école. So je le demande is when the person will be asking directly. The person will be asking this way, est-ce que vous visitez mon école? So Paul lui dit de l'accompagner au stade. Paul lui dit accompagne-moi au stade. I hope you can just check the answers for convenient tense here. I've written down all the answers. I'll try to discuss as much as possible. Then it was through la question. So I hope that that was an easy one. You can go back to this video again and again to see your answers if you have not checked the previous one. Miriam Arif Dama. So Dama was underlined. Kon Tarif Miriam. Je mange la salade avec du pain. Avec quoi manges-tu la salade? Pascal Fitre show. That's an open-ended sentence because it is hot, so you can write anything, okay? Les magasins sont fermés. So what is closed? When the first word is a noun, we write the question as qu'est-ce qui and the rest of the sentence we put it in singular. Elle a acheté des fleurs. Qu'est-ce qu'elle a acheté? I hope it's clear. Let's move on to the next question, which was répondez au négatif. So all the answers will start with no. And toujours will be jamais. Je ne me couche jamais. Then the next one, je ne mets pas de sucre. Ton will change to more because we are applying. As-tu lu le asterisk et le tintin? Je n'ai lu ni asterisk ni tintin. Avez-vous déjà copié? Déjà est pas encore. Je n'ai pas encore copié. Quelqu'un vient de frapper? Personne ne vient de frapper. I hope it's clear. Next one, adjective pronoun possessive. Je vais prendre mon roman. Prenez le votre. Prenez. EZ form is given with vous. That's why I've written votre, okay? Le garçon lui a servi son dessert. J'attends le mien. Chers amis, où sont vos photos? Nous avons mis les nôtres. La jeune fille s'occupe bien de. S'occuper verb is followed with de. Okay, that is why in the fourth sentence here it says yes, but here in the later part of the sentence it is de. Détient. Okay, because the verb is s'occuper, it means to take care, and it is followed with off. Last one, ma voix. Voix word is feminine voice. And you can also see from the adjective belle. Ma voix est plus belle que la tienne. Let's move to next. So boisson is feminine. Cette boisson fraîche est meilleure que celle-là. J'aime ce restaurant, celui qui est derrière le musée trop petit. J'ai emprunté deux bandes dessinées. Celle-ci, because you're comparing between two, so this one here is for you and that one there is for me. Next one, voulez-vous visiter cette maison ou celle-là? Écoutes-tu ces vieilles chansons et celle de Elvi? Okay, so I hope it's clear. Prono relative simple et composé. J'ai assisté à ce concert. The preposition is given with consonant. So, duquel tu m'as parlé. Elle a reçu la lettre que tu as écrit. So, you have to remove whatever has been repeated. L apostrophe, we are referring to letter. So, I have to remove that, okay? Next one, nous ne connaissons pas cette dame avec laquelle vous parlez. Le professeur a trouvé les erreurs. Error word is feminine. Okay, so that was an exception. Auquel je ne fais pas attention. Voilà Sophie qui, and in the later part it is elle m'a invité au dîner. She invited me to the dinner, so I have to remove she. Voilà Sophie qui m'a invité au dîner. Next one, pronopersonnel question. Cathy n'a pas accepté la bourse, so no la, it is direct. Accepted with one more e because accords. Next one, dans ce salon, it is place, so e, entre with an s. Er verbs followed with y, you have to write that s. Ma cousine va t'en donner, here. Ce sont elles qui rient. Je ne montre pas ces peintures à mes camarades, so je ne les leur. Ça va, I hope it is clear. Then it was subjunctive conjugation. You can just check. Sachant, tu viens, tes amis soient, nous ayons, je finisse, tu vois, and puis. So that was the entire grammar. I hope that you were able to do it really well. Next, we move on to culture and civilization. So few questions were there. À quel âge entre-t-on en primaire, au collège, au lycée? So I've written that. Primaire, 6 ans, collège, 11 ans, and lycée, 15 ans. Who is Yeo Ming-pi? Yeo Ming-pi est l'architecte sino-américain qui a construit une grande pyramide devant Louvre. Why do we take admission in library? For borrowing, pour emporter chez soi des livres, des disques, des cassettes et des opposites. Then it was about Louvre. Everything is from together only. Comment pouvons-nous conserver the law? How can you conserve water? You can just see if you've written the same answers. Security social. Then about president, which are the responsibilities of president. So I've written that. I hope that you have also written the same answers. Then we move on to question ons. So first part is répondre. Next is sanat. Then terre, nuit, version, musée, and chaîne. So these were the answers of completing the text. Words were given, you were supposed to fill. Then we have relier, Le Monde, Journal, Art, Chaîne culturelle, Fable Fontaine, Passer un concours, Le Travail, Intérim. Last part, expression est un mensuel de faux. Première et la deuxième année d'un lycée de faux. On peut trouver des jeux vidéo dans une bibliothèque en France vraie. Malgré est une région indienne vraie. Les médecins doivent remplir des formules de sécu de sa patient en France vrai. I hope all the answers, you've checked all your answers and your paper was really good. I am really waiting to hear your scores in the comments. So as soon as you receive your French board result, do share it with me. I would love to know the result of each one of you. Thank you so much for all your love. It means a lot to me and good luck for the rest of your exams. Au revoir.